Hello, go-getter. This is the place na where we are staying in Japan, the Sakura Hotel, which is located in Nippuri. As you could know, there are so many tourists in that hotel. Then, ito na yon mga go-getter. We are roaming about the area. We see to it that what is the neighborhood look alike. Yan si George and me. Nakamas, you know what? Since hindi pa ako secure for any place to go, so I still use the mask. Then, ito yung neighborhood nila mga go-getter. Oh, as you could see, Japan is so very clean. Now, ito na yung first day from the day we arrived. Not to me out Disney Sea. Yan, we go to the Disney Sea. It's about 200 hectares. And this is located near in the ocean. The first ever in the world, the Disney Sea is only in Japan. They have also their Disneyland, but there's also another one, which is the Disney Sea. So, ito yung entrance. This is the entrance. So, by the way, nag-arrive kami doon by, I think, 10 o'clock. Yan, we roam around, take a look, what is inside. Parang the childlike in us still was there. Ayan mga go-getter. That's the whole place. Yan, that's the whole place. So, there's a lot of rides. I think that's almost 200 rides. Pero hindi lahat na provide, sige, avail ko. Siyempre, like that one, I avail that ride. So, ito yung nakita during the rides because we were able to see the whole area. Ito naman, this is the, I think this is, there's a play in here. This ikali talaga, the extreme ride na dili gid siguro ko, I will not ride because bawal daw if your heart is weak, so we cannot ride. So since yung anak ko is millennial, ay nako, yung extreme ride talaga ginawa niya. Ito yan, this one. Yan, nag-ride ako para siyang Aladdin. Oh, you see, oh, it's flying, so very nice. Para akong bata. Guys! Ayan, ito din naman, you can see the, parang down in the ocean, like that. Yan, ayan. Then again, nabalik tayo doon sa hotel namin. This is a 4-story hotel na this is very relaxing to all the tourists in the world because this is very highly recommended by travel.com. So it has a rating of 8.4 out of 10. So yan yung neighborhood nila sa Nippuri. So ito na pala yung final sa Disney Sea where they sing and the lightning of lights, so amazing. Yan, balik na naman tayo dyan sa lakad-lakad ko. Actually, yung suot ko is second day.
Uy, nakauna na siya.
Ito pala yung mga places na nadaanan when we ride a train. Yung train, I think this is where we go to Disneyland. I know, Fuji, you see that one? Fuji. So, yan yung mga neighborhood nila. So, ito pa yun sa train. This is what we captured during the train. Pero this one, from train kasi, we have to transfer a bus going to the pagoda wherein we can see, makita din talaga yung actual view ng Fuji. So since sa bus na, then you can see the countryside, yung mga houses ng countryside. Yan yung parang 7-Eleven nila. Yan, it's so cold pa, even though na pawala na yung ano nila, yung season. So yan, oh. Yan. Yan yung parang big department of grocery store in their countryside. Yan. Then, yan, oh. Yan. You know, go-getter, during my travel in Japan, di ba, nag-manufacture sila ng mga car, but I did not even see a pick-up. Yung ba, mga small car lang and the van. Pero yung pick-up, I don't know why. Wala silang pick-up. Maybe yung mga pick-up nila, gina-export lang nila. Yan, yan, yan. Yan yung mga nadaanan namin sa bus. We're in, kita mo talaga na malinis yung place. Then, organized. Yeah, different kind of flowers sa street. Di pa yun kay flower lang, kundi colorful plants, flower. Dahil mag-spring na, kaya yung flower nila is blooming. You see? Yan. See the one? Yan. You see? It's very nice. Mga bahay na yan, na madaanan namin ng bus. Tsaka yung bus pala namin dyan, go-getter, kay very nice. So, syempre, pauna-una talaga ako. I'm sure that I always on time for me to be able to sit down. Kasi kung minsan, sa kadaming mga turista, they allowed others na mag-stand. Kaya, syempre, di ba? Tagal kaya magtindip, di ba? Hindi ka maka-video. Kaya this one, yung bullet train nila. Yan. Na-wait ito mga go-getter. This is in the plane where pa-arrive na me going sa Japan. And thank you, go-getter, for watching.